BrandDream FACTORY. ColorBlue red trains and trucks. MaterialCotton. Product dimension 72L×72W. Special feature washable. Room type bathroom. 60% cotton, 40% polyester. Ready to decorate? Colorful and creative whimsical designs create a fashionably fun shower space for boys and girls. Includes one shower curtain, measures 72 by 72 inches to fit standard size bathtub showers. Shower curtain liner and hooks are not included. Versatile prints. Our shower curtains make decorating easy. Designed to conveniently coordinate and complement our Dream Factory trucks, tractors, cars bedding set. Durable 60% cotton, 40% polyester fabric that lasts, machine washable. Easy installation. Top is finished with buttonholes. Vroom, vroom, it's time to decorate my bathroom. Inspired by your little one's favorite vehicles, the Dream Factory trains and trucks shower curtain will get them excited about bath time. Bustling trucks and tractors move across the face of this shower curtain to add adventure to the bathroom. Your child will even recognize some of their favorite street signs navigating all of the dashing vehicles. The bright and playful look will keep your little one in awe even after a long day of play. Dream Factory makes vibrant designs that spark your daydreamer's imagination and are easy to care for. Top reviews from the United States. Son loved it. My son loves his room. Very satisfied.